Hi, I am Dr. Hemant Kumar Penigalapati. I am a practicing orthopedic and spine surgeon. So, being a surgeon, I perform surgeries. Based upon the type of surgery, the duration of surgery ranges from 1 hour to 6 hours. I was a bit curious to know whether performing a surgery is equivalent to any physical activity. So, to find out whether performing surgery is equivalent to any physical workout, I planned to make an activity while doing a surgery. Today I am going to perform a T-lift surgery, otherwise called as transforaminal lumbar interbody fusion. Usually I will be taking around 4 hours to perform this surgery, right from incision to closure. And let us see whether by operating this surgery, am I going to benefit physically? Is this surgery going to improve my stamina in any way, or any way it is going to help my health? So to measure this, today I am using the gadgets. So I am using a watch here, which is a sports watch, Garmin Fenix 5 Plus, and I am using a heart rate monitor. This monitor I am going to wrap around my chest before going to the surgery. And in this watch, I made an activity in the name of surgery, which is custom made. So while going to the surgery, we cannot wear the watch on my wrist. So I am going to remove the straps, and I am going to keep the watch in my pocket.
An activity in the name of surgery is created in my watch. Once I activate the activity, it started showing my heart rate even when I am not wearing the watch on my wrist. The heart rate was transmitted through my chest heart rate monitor to the watch. Apart from the heart rate, the activity also will be showing the aerobic training effect, the anaerobic training effect, and the amount of calories burnt, and various heart rate zones while performing the surgery or the activity. So once I switch it on, the activity, it starts recording the activity, and let us see how it is going to end.
So going for the surgery now. So I am keeping the activity on, and I am keeping this in my pocket. Let's see.
The average heart rate was 90 and the highest being 114 beats per minute during this procedure. There were few spikes in the heart rate. The first at the beginning of the procedure, and second spike during insertion of screws on one side, third spike during insertion of screw on the opposite side, followed by a period of relative plateau in the heart rate while doing the decompression part, and final spike was noted during the insertion of cage. Heart rate throughout the procedure was in zone 1 or warm-up zone, or even less than that. The duration of the procedure was 4 hours approximately, and 533 calories were burnt during the procedure. Let us see if it was good enough to be considered as a workout. Regarding the amount of calories burnt, let us do the simple math and compare. A normal healthy male will be burning around 2500 calories per day. If he sleeps for 8 hours, he will be burning around 560 calories or 70 calories per hour during sleep time. And during active day, he will be burning around 1940 calories or 122 calories per hour. Coming to our activity, the duration of the procedure was 4 hours and total calories burnt were 533 or 133 calories per hour. So if we compare there is no much significant difference between the calories burnt during the activity to that of average amount of calories burnt during an active day. This activity has negligible or no aerobic and anaerobic training effect to my body. Analyzing the results, I can say that performing a surgery cannot be considered as a physical activity like walking, running, or cycling, etc. Apart from that, there will be a lot of mental exhaustion after performing a surgery because during the procedure we have to do it with extreme concentration and caution.
So, my dear friends, I conclude that doing regular exercise is the only way to keep us healthy. Thank you.